This is DEYE 8000 watts hybrid inverter. Each DEYE inverter is equipped with the following accessories. This is temperature control line, network port communication line. This is user manual. This is Wi-Fi modular. This is wall expansion screw, MC4 connector, and this is CT. Let's take a look at what interface that the DEYE 8K watts inverter equipped with. This is the PV switch, MC4 socket, battery interface. This is power switch, communication interface, diesel generator interface, load interface, and the CT power interface. Next, we remove the wiring baffler to see how we connect these wires. Now we connect the device to the 48 battery pack. Then, let's turn on the inverter. Click on the upper right corner to enter the setting interface. This is battery setting. You can choose the battery mode in it. This is basic setting. Time calibration can be done here. This is the setting work mode setting. You can choose the working mode you want. This is grid setting. You can set different grid parameters. This is for GM port use. The parameters can be modified according to different generators. And this is advanced function. This is device information. This is end of introduction of 3 phases 8K watts hybrid DEYE inverter.